Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Conceptual Engineering. Today we are gonna learn about how to insert at the end of linked list. So this is header files will use this methodology will not use in our code. We'll take a note. In this note we use a data column and second the reference to the next node. Okay, for that data we named as a data variable name, and that data is our integer of type. Okay, and the pointer is of type of struct node. Okay, because it can pointer is can store address of the node, or address can be of as long as don't know about. And the whole struct node name can be named as only node. This is can be done by type def. Okay, then next we'll insert at the end of the node. This is here a node we will actually write void int or something like that is our keyword, but we self create a keyword like node name. We self create a keyword by our own node. So we use this node because we return the a linked list which is address. So this node should be over here, or we return an address which is stored by a pointer. So here we use start insert, which is a pointer function. Okay, now when we pass argument in main function, we return an address of our header file. Sorry, header file not. We return our address of our head node. Okay, this head node is our pointer, and with that we which data we want to insert, we also pass that argument also. And next we will create a new node. Always when we insert a node, we will create a new node and a temporary variable. It will be discussed later on. And new node, now we assign a memory to the pointer. Okay, how much memory it will take. So this is done by this function. Malloc is a standard library function which is used to runtime initialization of memory. So okay, it is type conversion which used to this is type conversion which is we want to use. And this size of node, how much size we will allocate to the node, this is the size of actual node. Okay, then we will enter a data new node. This is reference, this making a reference that new node is a variable name of a node keyword, or node contains two types of structure, two types of variable data and next. So this node reference to the data which stored the data value. And then next we at the pointer reference for the next node, we reference next to the null. We are actually creating a simply new node. Okay, in this new node we include a data, and then we include our reference pointer to the null. So this is only a simple node, we not attach to it any kind of node. So if we check if our linked list is empty or not. If our linked list is empty, this means our head yani node head is contain null value. So this time we will simply uh, pass the address of our new node to the head. Pass this is our address, and this pass the address to the our head. If our list is not empty, then we will directly pass the address of the our head node new node to the uh, pointer to the. So in this else part we will if our linked list is not empty, this means we'll traverse up to the last node. To traverse we create a temporary variable of a structured node type. ठीक है, we uh, we assign our head node address to the temp value, and this temp will continue traverse to the end of the node. How traversing will work? This type next not equal to null until we reach to the null. We will try to traverse continuously and update the value of temp to the temp of next. This whole three line of code is traversed up to the end of the linked list. When we find a null value, it it get out from the while loop. We will have the last node. In the last node we have null value of the last node pointer. Okay, then to the last node pointer we pass the address of our new node to attach it to the last node of the linked list. Okay, and we already created a new node over here which contain a data, and the last point reference is null, so this is directly attached to the our temp. Okay, then we will how to display the linked list. Simply, if head is null, then we will print the empty linked list. If our head is not null, the same as the traversing, while we traversing we print the data. How will print the data? When we traversing, how we are updating the next we are updating the next of temp, and with the temp also with the node we also have a data. So when we reach to any node, we print the data like over this over here. Then this is only this display of a linked list. Now we look at the main function, how we'll call all the function of the display list and insertion list. We create a main header value, head node of the linked list. We initialize to the null because we initially we don't have any address of node, so it head node is initially null. Okay, then then we insert only three values at this time. So enter the data, scan up, we enter data over here in the data variable. Then insert, we call the function insert node, pass the header node this, and also the data value, and we say already that we return a whole linked list. The whole linked list is stored in head 1, and this head 1 is displayed on list head 1. So this is the full code of the linked list. Okay, now we'll run into our terminal. I saved it. I just saved it in cc, name of our file link is 1.c, and we create output file o -o with let's say ll1, and execute. Compile. This compilation is done. Now we'll execute our code. Please enter data 1, 2 and 3. We only run 3 times, so this is our list data. So if you wanna try to run it 5 times, so you can change it 5 times also. Control S. Now execute complete. Now we execute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 5 elements on linked list. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel, and thanks for